Factorization of algebra. The first lecture is factorization of algebra. Factorization of algebra. We have three types of algebraic expression in which we have two terms. Three terms and number four terms. We will discuss factorization one by one. Factorization of two terms based on the number one. Factorization of two terms. Rule number one of factorization is number one, take the common. Take the common. Number one. Number two, use this identity, minus between two squares. If you have a minus, negative sign between the two squares, then apply this identity, a minus b and a plus b. For example, 3x minus 6x squared, the first example. In this case, look at the example. We have 3 common. 3 is common among the two. And x is also common. 3x. Take 3x common. We left with 1 minus 2x. Please open the bracket and multiply it. Again, it becomes 3x minus 3 2s are 6. X multiplied by x squared. So, common is okay. Example number 2. Six a b square minus 2a square. Now what is common between the two? 6ab square, 2a square. It means that we can take 2 common and a false. 2a will be the common. So 3, which is a 6, 3 a is common. We get with b square minus 2 is common, 2a is common, only we left with a. These are the examples of the first. Now examples of second one. To apply the identity, please. You must know square of 1 is 1. Squared numbers. 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 1 square is 1, 4 square, 5 square equals to 25, then 6 square equals to 36, 7 square equals to 49. These are the square numbers. 8 square equals to 64, 9 square equals to 81. You must know these square numbers. We need that. To second, example number 3. Example number 3. 4 minus x square. We have to apply this identity. First of all, change the form. 4 is a square number. So write like this. 2 square minus x square. minus between two squares. But first step is look at the two algebraic. Is there anything common between the two? No. Then apply this minus between two squares. Now this becomes 2 minus x negative 2 plus x. One is negative and the other one will be positive. Example number 4. The next example 27 minus 3x square. Now in this expression we have 3 common. Please take 3 common first. Take 3 common. You're left with 9 minus x square. Now again, second step, minus between two squares, as 9 is a squared number. 3 bracket 3 square, 9 becomes 3 square, and minus x square. This square is outside. Please write it down. So 3 square minus between two squares. Minus between two squares. Apply the identity and you will get 3 minus x and then 3 plus x. That will be your final answer. Now in this question, he will say to you, what he said? Factorize completely. Factorize completely. Factorize completely. And the factorization of two terms. What are the steps? If you have given the two terms, then first of all, look at the two terms. Is something common between the two? If yes, then take common. Then the two terms, then apply this identity if you have the two square terms. So minus between two squares, we can apply this identity. 3 common, 3 square minus x square. 3 minus x and 3 plus x. So please learn these two steps when you have factorization of two terms. Factorization of two terms.